Next, we'll demonstrate the second stitch, Bullion stitch. Use color 13, 6 strands for stitching. You can see 5 lines drawn here. Let's start with the top line. Bring up at the end of this line. Then go back down at the center point. Bring needle straight forward. Hold thread with one hand. Bring it behind the needle. Begin wrapping. Place your finger under the needle. This makes wrapping easier. When wrapping, use another finger or needle. To adjust the loops, line them up tightly on the needle. This creates dense loops. Continue wrapping in this pattern. Wrap until loops are slightly longer than the line. Hold loops down with your thumb. Push needle upward. This has 7 wraps. If you want it longer, you can add 1 or 2 more wraps. But don't make it too long, or the result won't look as good. Then, pull needle upward. Adjust the shape. Use needle to push it up, making loops tighter together. Then point needle toward center and take down. 1 bullion stitch is complete. Let's demonstrate again. Bring up at left line end here. Go back down at center point. Bring straight forward. Stay close to the exit line. Don't spread too far apart, otherwise the gap will be too large and won't look good. Place finger under needle, then hold thread with one hand. Bring thread behind needle. Begin wrapping. When wrapping, remember to push loops down. Keep them tight together. Wrap until slightly longer than the line. Hold loops down. Pull thread forward. Always hold the wrapped loops when pulling, to prevent them from sliding off. Adjust shape with needle. Point toward center and take down. Second bullion stitch is complete. Follow these steps to complete the remaining pattern. This stitch is commonly used for flowers or leaf embroidery. It's a great choice. Take down. Tie knot on back. Let's look at the finished overall result.